How to fix Minecraft failed to log in invalid session. Try restarting your launcher. So we're gonna show a few things you can do to potentially help you with this problem. So first of all, you're gonna have to search up in your computer. Go to your search bar and search for CMD and run as administrator. What you're gonna do over here is type in ipconfig like so, config, press and space, and then do /flush DNS. So it should look something like this, and just go ahead and press on enter. The next thing you're gonna have to type in is netsh, and finally space winsock, and then finally space reset. Then go ahead and press on enter. Then you should restart the computer in order to complete the reset. But before you reset, another thing you can do is search for your internet connections or network connections. So just go ahead and do that. Search for view network connections in your search bar again, and press on open. Once you're there, look for the connection you're connected to, and in our case we're gonna go with the Ethernet. So in our Ethernet, we're gonna go to our properties, and then we're gonna go with the Internet Protocol version 4, and make sure it's on obtain an IP address automatically. And for this second option over here, press on use the following DNS server address. Then you're gonna put in 8 in each section, and finally 8844. Once that's done, just go ahead and press on OK. And finally, you can go ahead and reset your computer and go back to your Minecraft to see if the problem still occurs. So if it's lag, you can just go ahead and make sure you're not using any VPNs, or make sure your internet connection itself is stable, since an unstable connection can cause this problem as well. So those are a few things you can put in mind to potentially help you with this problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.